Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the One Student One Laptop project for providing the student with the opportunity to empower themselves through technology. My name is Arif Kaisar and I am currently studying in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Daffodil International University. I am now in 8th semester, continuing my journey toward becoming a skilled software and technology professional. As a CSC student, I strongly believe that technology is not only a tool but also a bridge that connects innovation, creativity and problem solving. Throughout my academic journey, I have developed a strong interest in software development, programming, problem solving and emerging technologies. I continuously work on improving my technical skill while also focusing on communication, leadership, teamwork and personal development. During my university life, I have actively participated in various academic and co-curricular activities that have helped me become more confident, responsible and adaptable. This experience has strengthened my ability to work under pressure, collaborate with diverse teams and contribute effectively to real-world projects. My goal is to utilize technology to create meaningful solutions that can positively impact on society and contribute to the advancement of our country. I am committed to lifelong learning and continuous self-improvement so that I can make the best use of every opportunity that comes my way. I sincerely appreciate the One Student One Laptop initiative for its remarkable contribution to empowering students and supporting their educational journey. This project is creating opportunities for thousands of learners to unlock their full potential and build a brighter future. Thank you very much to the respected authorities and everyone involved in this wonderful initiative for your support, dedication and communication to student development. Thank you for watching my video resume.